step into the Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 LX Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 290 horsepower, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.